Here's the backyard. The deck is like a big tub of snow. See, we have a downed tree over there. Branch split right there. I'm not sure what the status of these other trees is going to end up being. You can see how thick the snow is. A couple have been rubbing. Look at those icicles up there. It's scary. This could come down and hit somebody in the head. Look at those things. Let's go around the side a little bit here. Trees up against the master bedroom. Overall, it looks like these have sprung back a little bit, which is good. This is one we'll have to cut, obviously. Anyway, that's all the snow. Let me go get a tape measure.